Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a lot of performance and convenience. We're talking about the PRICUSIS 8-piece non-stick ceramic frying pan set with lids, in that rather appealing blueberry gray color. This set includes 8, 10, and 12-inch induction-compatible skillets, lids for each, and even 2 protective pads. So, let's see if these pans live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the StickProofX ceramic coating. PRICUSIS claims this coating is inspired by nature's lotus leaf, and it's designed to be 3 times longer lasting than traditional non-stick surfaces. The idea is that food just slides right off, allowing for healthier cooking with minimal oil. We'll be putting that claim to the test, of course, but the initial feel of the coating is smooth and promising. It's also great to see that this coating is PFAS-free, PFOA-free, and PTFE-free. This is a big deal for many home cooks concerned about the chemicals in their cookware. Another feature that immediately stands out is the fully coated design. This means that not only the interior but also the exterior of the pans are coated. PRICUSIS says this prevents those unsightly black residues that can form on the bottom of pans over time, especially with frequent use or dishwasher cycles. This is a significant benefit for maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your cookware. And the fact that they are 100% dishwasher safe is a massive win for anyone who hates scrubbing pots and pans. We'll be running them through the dishwasher a few times to see how they hold up. Comfort and safety are also key considerations for any kitchen tool, and PRICUSIS has focused on the handles. These are described as ergonomic and stay-cool handles. They have a soft touch finish, which should provide a comfortable and secure grip. The goal is to keep your hands safe from heat while you're maneuvering the pans on the stovetop. We'll be sure to check how cool they really stay during cooking. Durability is a claim that PRICUSIS really emphasizes. They state that this cookware is built to last and is metal utensil safe. This is a big advantage for many people. You don't have to worry about using your favorite metal spatulas or spoons, which can be a limitation with many non-stick pans. They've reinforced the structure and claim the scratch-resistant coating will maintain its integrity 3 times longer than standard pans. This is a bold claim, and we'll be testing its resilience against everyday cooking and cleaning. The set's construction is also noteworthy. The extra thick 4.6mm die-cast aluminum base is designed to provide even heating. This is crucial for consistent cooking results, preventing hot spots that can burn your food. The warp-resistant nature of this base also means that the pans should maintain their shape over time, even with rapid temperature changes. And of course, the inclusion of induction compatibility means these pans will work on a wide variety of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this PRICUSIS set. On the positive side, the StickProofX ceramic coating, being PFAS-free and promising long-lasting non-stick performance, is a major draw. The fully coated design and 100% dishwasher-safe aspect significantly simplify cleanup and maintenance. The stay-cool ergonomic handles offer enhanced comfort and safety. The metal utensil safety is a huge convenience for most cooks, and the warp-resistant, even heating aluminum base is excellent for cooking performance. The inclusion of lids and protective pads, along with the attractive gift box packaging, makes it a compelling option for gifting. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While the claims of 3x longer non-stick performance and durability are exciting, only extended use will truly confirm their validity. We'll need to see how they perform after months of cooking and cleaning. Also, while the handles are designed to stay cool, some users might find that even with heat-resistant handles, caution is still necessary, especially during prolonged high-heat cooking. The set is an 8-piece set, but it primarily consists of frying pans, so if you're looking for a full suite of pots and pans including saucepans or stockpots, you might need to supplement this set. In conclusion, the PRICUSIS 8-piece non-stick ceramic frying pan set in blueberry gray presents itself as a robust and user-friendly option for the modern kitchen. Its focus on healthy cooking, easy maintenance, and durable construction makes it an attractive proposition. The combination of advanced non-stick technology, thoughtful design features, and a comprehensive set of skillets with lids makes this a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. Link in the description.